Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video, we will see how to download and install Oracle Virtual Machine. Now we will go to our browser, then search download Oracle VirtualBox. So here we can see the first link, virtualbox.org wiki downloads. So here we can go to directly we can go to the download page, download VirtualBox, and we can see multiple platform here. VirtualBox, Windows host, Mac OS, Linux, Solaris, so and so. Or if you are going to the website virtualbox.org, here we can see the main page. We can go to download. Yes, so here we can see that download VirtualBox. We will download for Windows host. Click on that, and here we can see it's downloading. Now we will install this VirtualBox. Here we can see it is downloaded and it's nearly 169 MB. Go to the folder and here we can see virtualbox.exe. Execute that. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Okay, click on next. License agreement. I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click on next. Custom setup. This is fine. Installation location, default location, program files, Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to change this location, you can change it. So better to keep the default location. Click on next. So network disconnection, that's fine. Your network will be disconnected during the installation. Click on yes. Missing dependencies, make sure that you install Python bindings. Requires the Python core package and the Win32 API bindings to be installed. So just to make sure that you install this missing dependencies Python before installing this Oracle VirtualBox. Then click on yes. Startup options, that's fine. Click on next. Install. So installation is in progress. It will take several minutes. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, it is installed. Click on finish. Here we can see Oracle VirtualBox Manager. In the next video, we will see how to create a new VirtualBox, then how to mount Windows Server ISO file and install Windows Server 2019. So stay connected. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.